In the picturesque land of Manipur, where lush valleys and hills coexist, a dark cloud of violence has descended, leading to a serious humanitarian crisis that has claimed many lives and left thousands displaced. The roots of this crisis trace back to a long-standing conflict between the Kuki and the Meitei communities dating back to the British colonial period. The Kukis, the tribal inhabitants of the hills, and the Meiteis, the majority community residing in the valley, have historically held different languages, cultures, and beliefs. Over the years, several flashpoints have triggered violence, including disputes over land, resources, and political representation. In May 2023, the alleged rape and murder of a Kuki woman by a Meitei man ignited a wave of retaliatory attacks, leading to widespread violence. The government's response has been inadequate, leaving civilians vulnerable and isolated. While security forces have been deployed and curfews imposed in some areas, the violence continues to escalate. The United Nations have expressed grave concern, calling on the Indian government to take urgent action to protect civilians. So what can be done to address this crisis? Deploy additional security forces to the affected areas, ensuring a stronger presence to deter further violence. Impose a curfew in all parts of the state to maintain peace and protect civilians. Establish an impartial commission of inquiry to investigate the causes and consequences of the violence, ensuring accountability. Provide compensation and support to the victims of the violence, helping them rebuild their lives. Initiate a meaningful dialogue between the Kuki and Meitei communities, fostering understanding and reconciliation. Tackle the underlying causes of the conflict, addressing land dispute, resource scarcity, and political representation. Manipur's resilience lies in its rich heritage and diverse communities. It is the time to come together to heal wounds and forge a path of peace and prosperity. Let us join hands to end the suffering and work towards a peaceful coexistence. Together we can make a difference. Stand united against violence in Manipur.